If the only type of happiness that the human being is looking for is physical happiness, I eat, I sleep, and I satisfy my physical desires, so I'm good. Similarly, an animal doesn't ask before it eats the plant, is this halal? If two animals are reproducing, they don't ask, is this halal? Are we married? Animal wants, animal takes. Do we have human beings who act like that? Yeah. I'm attracted to you. It doesn't matter if I'm married to you. It doesn't matter if you're the same gender. I'm attracted to you. I feel, I obey. I feel, I act. There's no question of morality for an animal, right? But when a human being acts that way, then we become lower than the animals, because an animal doesn't have the ability to look at morality, whereas we do.